I finished Yellowface by R.F. Kuang and I get the hype. Yellowface is a story told by June Hayward. She is a miserable, awful writer. Driven by her immaculate ability to victimize herself, her self-pity and jealousy, she ends up stealing the manuscript of someone named Athena Liu. Athena is a very established and accredited writer. Athena comes off as if she likes June, however, June seems to have more of a frenemy dynamic with her. Athena ends up dying from pancake. It makes June kind of justify taking her manuscript. But that manuscript happens to be about Chinese history. And what does June know about Chinese history? June, already being kind of a crappy person, decides she's going to go by her first and middle name, so Juniper Song, which can be seen as a Chinese name. She ends up publishing the book and getting a lot of recognition, but what comes from that recognition can only be described as a snowball tumbling down a mountain and getting bigger and more dangerous and worse as it gets down to the bottom. The entire story is told through the lens of June, so if you want an unreliable narrator, in this book you will find racism, cultural appropriation, pity, desperateness, and delusion. It's borderline a manifesto, like a giant justification of why someone is such a horrible person. There is a tangible look into the publishing industry with some heavy critique about tokenizing certain ethnicities and certain minority groups. I can see why this is a bestseller. A lot of it is quite provocative and leads to a lot of discussion. I'm happy I can cross it off my TBR. If Yellowface was a song, it's probably Karma by Taylor Swift.